Hey guys, Marianne here again with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I am calling all of my fabulous collectors out there because you're not going to find one like this anymore. It is a collector's dream in my opinion, and it is a 1993 Jaguar XJR-S. And actually, well, this is a sports coupe. However, only 50 of these coupes were made and 50 convertible. So this is number 9 of 50 coupes that are actually out there. Best color combination in my opinion for this car is going to be this one. It is black on black, so you have that along with the beautiful wood grain. Everything in this car is stock. It's completely different than any of your XJS models. The XJR-S is a one-of-a-kind, and if this is something you've been looking for, this is going to be the car you need to get, because I'm telling you, you're not going to find them out there because they're all in collectors' hands. I mean that. Trust me when I tell you that. You don't have to trust me with a lot, but that's certainly going to be one of them. It is definitely in collectors' hands. Here's the emblem in the front, and of course we are opening the hood, so just give me a few moments here. Under the hood we have a 6-liter extremely powerful V12 engine. Again, this is a Jag sport car, so it's going to go 0 to 60 in 6.5 seconds. Back in 1993, this would have kept up with a Ferrari. This engine is massive, it's powerful, and it is certainly, like I said, one that if you want, or if you ever dreamed of having one of these cars, you would want to get. Definitely, the suspension is lower in this car, which you'll see whenever we pan out. It looks like, well, it's not lowered, it is stock, but it is lower because of the handling of the vehicle, because it is so powerful and has so much underneath the hood. You can see the interior looks like it's basically never been sat in, but obviously it has the nice leather seats here, and the piping as well, and the stitching, which again is all black, so it is black on black with the beautiful wood grain. Definitely a garage queen, obviously, because we acquired this car from a collector here in Naples, Florida, and he always took care of this car as if it was one of his one and only, although he does have a garage full of collector vehicles. So it is definitely one of the things that he does and he loves. And in the trunk space, you'll see we have a spare tire here. We have the books, an extra key, and in my hand actually, which looks like I'm carrying around notes, I'm really not. Here you'll find that this is all the options to the vehicle, and this is going to be a little information about what the XJR-S has to offer in 1993, and it gives you a lot of the stats about the car, front and back. So I am going to take this car out on a test drive for you guys. I promise it's powerful. You'll get to see it. I just wish you guys could be in the car with me so you could feel the power underneath the hood of this vehicle. But again, I'm going to take it out on a test drive and show you just how powerful it is. Alright, so I'm going to get it started up for you. 78,000 original miles in the car. I'm going to get the
Local Championships 10 is... Sorry about that.
Okay, so we know that the radio works. Anyhow, that completely caught me off guard. You can see the instrument cluster, everything works, everything is clear. Definitely shows you the oil pressure gauge, that's proper, and the top right here. I did notice that today, that everything works well in the instrument cluster. Like I said, the dash has no cracking, no fading, nothing. It is a collector's item. You know, I understand that it's a little bit different, but that's why somebody who collects would want this vehicle. I don't think it's going to last long. I think if this is something you're interested in, you definitely need to give us a call. It has the original radio, the original cassette tape that came with the car, which to me is hilarious, along with the vanity mirror. And the seats, the power seats, move front, back. We do have lumbar support along with heated seats. So everything that you would expect to be in a 1993 is certainly in this car. So once again, the back seats that I believe, so definitely that they've never been sat in, but the leather is so comfortable. They're sport seats. They're basically like bucket seats, but they're sporty. They hug your side. You've got the lumbar support. Everything about this car is definitely exactly as you would expect it to be. Again, it's 100% stock. Nothing's been modified on it. It is a collector's dream. And right here is going to be where you will see the fact that this is a 1993 and it is model number 9. So any questions about this car, give us a call, 239-263-8500. My name's Marianne, and I'm going to accelerate for you. Ha ha ha! Look at the long hood lift up whenever I accelerate. Amazing. Amazing, amazing car. You guys, like I said, if this is something that interests you, you need to not wait. You need to pick the phone up now. I will be surprised if this lasts a week or two. It is amazing. 239-263-8500. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com, and that includes social media. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. I need to update Instagram, I'm aware, but I would love it if you guys followed us. And Snapchat, you get to see all the sneak peeks of what I'm going to be doing, usually in that day. So sorry, you can see I can make a 3-point turn.
Yeah, it looks like we're going off-roading now. Yes.
No.
In the G-Wagon. Here's a little path we can find.
I'm doing my 3-point turn. Never went off.
Okay, good.
Because I want to show you guys how it accelerates again. That's why I did that. All right. Now watch the front end here, okay? You see how low it is? It's going to lift up once I accelerate.
All that torque from that motor.
Yeah,
that massive
awesome.
engine.
Wow. All right. Again, it's Marianne with Autohaus of Naples. I look forward to hearing from you guys and talking about this beauty. 239-263-8500. You can call me directly. It's 239-777-8986. That is only for inquiries about purchasing a car. And you better you better be ready to buy. Otherwise, you can call the dealership directly, 239-263-8500.
And I can sell the kills if they want to.
No. Okay, my clothing is not for sale, and neither is my shoes. But you can send clothing and shoes to 493 Airport Pulling Road North.
I get a hold of your dress. I will sell them. Don't worry.
He wishes my dress would come off. Love you guys. Subscribe. Press the button below. See you in the next one.